Toyota is taking another major step forward in its long-running commitment to build more vehicles in the United States as demand for hybrid technology keeps climbing. With a fresh investment of $912 million spread across 5 states, the company is preparing to expand production capacity, strengthen its hybrid lineup, and bring hybrid electric Corolla models to American assembly lines for the first time. It is a significant move that shows Toyota's confidence in its United States workforce and the long-term future of electrified mobility. The announcement centers around adding 252 new jobs and upgrading facilities in West Virginia, Kentucky, Mississippi, Tennessee, and Missouri. Each location plays a different role, but together they reinforce Toyota's focus on developing the next generation of hybrid powertrains. It is a reminder that even as the industry pushes toward fully electric vehicles, hybrids remain a major part of Toyota's strategy, and customers continue to respond strongly to them. In West Virginia, Toyota is committing $453 million and adding 80 new jobs to expand production of 4-cylinder hybrid-compatible engines and 6th-generation hybrid transaxles. They are installing new shift patterns to boost efficiency beginning in 2027. The facility already produces more than 1 million engines and transmissions each year. Kentucky, home to Toyota's largest manufacturing plant worldwide, will receive $204.4 million in upgrades. This includes 82 new jobs and a new machining line dedicated to 4-cylinder hybrid engines. With the ability to assemble up to 700,000 powertrains each year, this plant remains a key pillar of Toyota's North American operations. In Mississippi, Toyota is investing $125 million to build the hybrid electric Corolla in the United States. For the first time, it marks an important milestone for Toyota's most accessible model. Tennessee will see $71.4 million in upgrades, along with 33 new jobs to expand production of hybrid-related components. The new lines arriving in 2027 and 2028 will increase capacity by nearly 500,000 units. Missouri will receive $57.1 million and 57 new jobs to add a new production line for cylinder heads. When production begins in 2027, capacity will increase by more than 200,000 units. Toyota's message is clear. Hybrid technology will continue to play a major role, and the company is ready for sustained demand. Nearly 50% of its United States sales now come from electrified vehicles. Toyota is also preparing future workers. Through the Toyota USA Foundation's Driving Possibilities program, the company is investing $110 million into hands-on science and technology education to support students and families nationwide.
He's already run around getting them for his team members. My name's Teresa. We did some filming of her videos.